Let's go to Angelique, whose story will rock you as much as she rocks on top of wind turbines creating green energy. In addition to traditional education, NJC offers career and technical programs like wind energy, industrial automation, auto diesel, welding, cosmetology, and more that start careers in well-paying industries for their graduates. Tell us all about it, Angelique.
Thank you, Alex. Hello, everyone. Not long ago, I was at a stage in my life when an immediate change was necessary. After some deep reflection during the COVID shutdown, I decided to follow my instincts and pursue a career in wind power generation. I have a passion for renewable energy and sought out the adventure of working high above the ground. And I found that training right here at NJC. I instantly appreciated the warm and inviting community NJC offered. I was still working a full-time job at the time and had not been back in a classroom in quite a while. This presented some real challenges, but my resolve to succeed showed, and the faculty and staff were flexible and ensured I had all the resources to complete the program. They truly cared about my college and work-life balance. I also appreciated that it was a hands-on program with ample opportunity to practice and master skills in the learning lab. The program introduced me to much more than wind energy, including electrical circuits, schematics, welding, industrial mathematics, and industrial automation. For our final project, my partner and I created a fully functional water pumping station, similar to what you might find on agriculture farms. The skills I learned got me hired right away, and I am well into my career in wind energy. Choosing a degree in industrial automation and wind energy at NJC was the best decision for my future. While initially overwhelming, the dedicated faculty and staff supported me throughout the entire process. The program truly gave me the foundation I needed to transition from classroom to worksite. Now come join me at the top of a wind turbine. Back to you, Alex.
That's incredible, Angelique. Your perseverance and the support of the college was life-changing for you and many others. The ability to get the training to shift careers or upskill is unique to community colleges and a highlight of what NJC offers its students. Stay safe up there, Angelique.